Hi friends, very good evening. Is everybody able to hear me? Can I have a quick yes, yes, yes? Friends, are you able to hear me clearly? Great. Very good evening and welcome once again. My name is Dr. Usha Nair and I'm here today to take you over the next 45 to 50 minutes over a journey which is going to be something नया कुछ हेल्थ केयर के बारे में, कुछ अपनी सेहत के बारे में, कुछ अपने आसपास के लोगों के बारे में, जो कुछ भी हमारे लिए अच्छा है, जो कुछ भी हमारे लिए एक्साइटिंग है और आज जो कुछ भी हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। इस वेबिनार के छोटे से कुछ रूल्स हैं जो मैं कहना चाहती हूँ। जब भी स्पीकर, आज की तारीख में जब भी मैं ये प्रेजेंटेशन करूँ तब हमारे सारे मेंबर्स को म्यूट पर रखा जाएगा एंड आई विल रिक्वेस्ट कि अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल है तो आप इस चैट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हैं या फिर अपने अंत तक होल्ड कीजिए ताकि वी विल बी एबल टू हेल्प यू, वी विल बी एबल टू आंसर यू राइट टुवर्ड्स द एंड। सो आई हैव अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल वार्म वेलकम टू पीपल जो आज यहाँ नए आए हैं एंड आई थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी हु इज देयर एवरी टाइम फॉर ईच ऑफ आवर वेबिनार्स टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू। भले ही वो हम जानते होंगे बट मैं आज ये आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, प्रॉमिस करना चाहती हूँ कि जब भी हम इस प्रेजेंटेशन को दोबारा देखते हैं या इसके बारे में जानकारी लेने के लिए आते हैं, आई प्रॉमिस यू फ्रेंड्स, एक नया पॉइंट हमारे दिमाग में जरूर बैठता है। सो डू यू एग्री फ्रेंड्स? यस, आर वी ऑल देयर? हम हैं? Yes, say yes, yes quickly. Thank you so much. So today let us hope कि आप सभी लोग एक नया पॉइंट लेकर जा सके, एक नई चीज को जान सके। और ये किस बारे में है? दिस इज प्रिसाइसली अबाउट हमारी सेहत, जेनेटिक्स, इट इज अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन, इट इज अबाउट अ यूनिक एंड अ न्यू company, a pioneer in this field known as Velocity Life Sciences. So today we are here to go through a small wellness preview कि let us begin and ओके हमारी लाइफ में तीन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं जो मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर एक इंसान के पास हो, और ये हम कहते हैं आर थ्री यूनिवर्सल सच्चाइयां अबाउट अस। It is about good health, it is about true wealth, it is about a long life which we all look forward to. आप लोगों को स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रहा है या फिर स्क्रीन हैंग हो रहा है? Can somebody quickly chat in the chat box and tell me? Is there an issue with the screen? Clear? Okay, great. So wishing you all a very good health, true wealth in the real sense, and a long, long life. So what are we talking about? I'm very happy today to introduce you to a company which has been a pioneer and a market leader in the science of nutrigenomics. Welcome friends to Velocity Life Sciences Private Limited. ये कंपनी का सिर्फ एकमात्र ये एम नहीं है कि हमें अच्छी सेहत के बारे में जानकारी दें, हमें इसका रास्ता दिखाए कि हम अपनी अच्छी सेहत कैसे मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। ये हमारे जेनेटिक्स के थ्रू होता है, ये हमारी लाइफ में छोटे मोटे चेंजेस और सुधार करने से अपने डाइट में हमें अपनी ऑप्टिमम हेल्थ मिल सकती है विच कैन गिव अस द मैक्सिमम वेल्थ टुडे। बट ये कंपनी ये भी चाहती है कि आपके मेरी तरह लोग इस टेक्निक को, इस टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखें, एंड दैट्स वाई they are also promoting and teaching people like you and me through Vignet, that is Velocity Institute of Genomics, Nutrition and Entrepreneurship Training, ताकि आपके मेरे लोग, मेरे जैसे लोग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बने, इस टेक्नोलॉजी को जाने, इसका प्रचार कर सके और उसको हर एक इंसान की जिंदगी में फैला सके। And why Velocity Genetics and why it has been a pioneer in this field? Because it is brought to us the first time in India a technology driven genomic wellness concept, and this company is of course headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. ये कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेट हुई थी 17 अक्टूबर 2016, तो ऑलमोस्ट आज की तारीख में फ्रेंड्स इट इज 4 years, बट ये कंपनी ऑफिशियल लॉन्च हुई on 3rd May 2017. So we are a little over operationally 3.5 years, and now we are in the 4th successful year. हम इस चीज में प्राइड लेते हैं कि देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यूड कस्टमर्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स अक्रॉस इंडिया. हम इंडिया के सभी स्टेट्स में एंड सभी यूनियन टेरिटरीज में आज प्रेजेंट हैं. एंड इस कंपनी ने आज तक 10,000 से ज्यादा लोगों के जेनेटिक टेस्ट किए हैं और उनको अपनी लाइफ में सुधार की ओर एक दिशा दिखाई है. Why so? Because this company has been so successful क्योंकि इसमें there is a whole combination of well qualified experienced health professionals हैं, wellness professionals हैं, alternative therapists हैं, genetic officers हैं, इसमें wellness entrepreneurs हैं, bioinformatics वाले लोग हैं, और इसमें एक total holistic platform है for people from all walks of life to be present. So it is a truly vibrant wellness organization of India. इसके it is so important and so good because there is a team of dedicated professionals in this company, which of course begins with our CMD sir, Mr. Stan Sirao. We have a chief product officer, Mr. Milind Doshi. We have Arnavaz Kola, who is the chief genetics officer. We also have scientists and researchers like Dr. Vimal Karani, and he is not only from UK, he is a researcher and a teacher in the subject of nutrigenetics and nutrigenomics, along with professionally qualified nutritionists come genetic counselors. And not just this, we have a very strong board of scientific and medical advisory board, जिसमें there are specialists, I will say subject experts, industry experts from all walks of the medical fraternity, be it radiologist, be it a surgeon, be it a physician diabetologist, be it an Ayurvedic practitioner, a homeopath, or it could even include a simple horticulturist who has brought forth the concept of Seabuckthorn in India. वेल फ्रेंड्स, अगर एक कंपनी जेन्युइनली काम करनी है एंड अगर उसके पास सारे कुछ ऑथेंटिक एंड जेन्युइन प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, तो उसको ऑल्सो स्टैट्यूटरी कंप्लायंसेस फॉलो करने हैं. एंड सिंस वेरासिटी इज कमिटेड टू स्ट्रिक्टली एडियर टू ऑल कंप्लायंसेस ऑफ एथिकल बिजनेस प्रैक्टिस, हमारे पास वो सभी लाइसेंसेस हैं, सभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की मेंबरशिप्स हैं, जो हमारे लिए मार्केट में एक जेन्युइन, ऑथेंटिक एंड वेरी डेडिकेटेड कंपनी की तरह हमें प्रूव करते हैं. वेल फ्रेंड्स, ये कंपनी का अगर इतनी बड़ी कंपनी है, इतनी important technology first time इंडिया में लाई है, so of course it has a vision and it has a mission. The mission of the company is to inform people like you and me and reach at least the ears of 1 crore people by the year 2022, so that they can be built as loyal wellness ambassadors for the company. And yes, of course, the vision is to be a leading wellness organization which is delivering innovative and technology driven wellness solutions to people from all walks of life. All walks of life माने to right from the young, the adult, the aged or the middle-aged people, everybody. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका एक basic concept है जो philosophy हम Hippocrates के time से follow करते हैं, and this philosophy is nothing else but let food be thy medicine. ये हमें क्यों जरूरी है? क्योंकि ये हम सभी लोगों ने सुना होगा कि you are what you eat. तो इससे क्या पता चलता है हमको इससे ये पता चलता है कि देयर आर सर्टेन अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो जो हमारी लाइफ में हो सकते हैं, जिसके कारण वी मे बी ईटिंग रॉन्ग, वी मे बी ड्रिंकिंग रॉन्ग, वी माइट बी कमिंग इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद पोल्यूटेड एयर, विद पोल्यूशन अराउंड, पोल्यूटेड वाटर, अनहेल्दी फूड सब्सटेंसेस. इट कुड बी sedentary lifestyle, it could be stress, it could be tension, it could be so many things which will impact and influence our life and take us from a good healthy lifestyle maybe towards ill health, towards some sign symptoms. We are forced to go to the doctor, we are forced to take medications, we are forced to go through a system of diagnostics, which of course can be expensive, which of course if included by medical insurance in India, it could be we feel it is free of cost, but हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हम शायद साल में एक बार या इन इंस्टॉलमेंट साल में 2 बार या 4 बार में उस मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस का भी हम पैसा भरते हैं. बट ऑफ कोर्स it does catch on our pockets and this becomes a vicious cycle. अगर हम ठीक हो गए तो ठीक है, अगर हम नहीं ठीक हुए तो दोबारा डॉक्टर के पास जाओ and the whole cycle repeats all over again. But friends, what Hippocrates also said was, someone who wishes to have good health, he must first ask himself if he is ready to do away with the reasons for his illness. Only then it is possible to help him. इसका मतलब ये है कि आज मुझे अगर ये सही मायने में सोचना है कि मुझे अच्छी सेहत चाहिए, तो क्या मैं उस मूल कारण को जानना पहचानना चाहूंगा या चाहूंगी जिससे मेरे हेल्थ पे असर हो और जिससे मुझे गुड हेल्थ मिले. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है फ्रेंड्स, इफ आई एम टुडे एबल टू सक्सेसफुली, एक पॉइंट आपके दिमाग में डालूं कि वेलनेस या फिर हैविंग गुड हेल्थ, व्हाट इज इट ऑल अबाउट? इट इज एन एक्टिव प्रोसेस ऑफ बिकमिंग अवेयर ऑफ एंड मेकिंग चॉइसेस टुवर्ड्स अ हेल्दी एंड फुलफिलिंग लाइफ. क्योंकि इवन WHO सेज कि being disease free or being good in health is not just a state of complete physical, mental or social well-being. It cannot be said कि मैं बीमार हूँ when I have a disease, बट जब मेरा फिजिकल, मेंटल और सोशल वेलबींग नहीं है तब भी मुझे बीमार कहा जाता है. सो टुडे फ्रेंड्स, मेरा ये एम है कि मैं आपको एक इलनेस पैराडाइम से एक उस दिशा के और सोच आपकी बढ़ा पाऊं जहां यू विल बी मोर अवेयर, यू विल गेट अ लिटिल बिट एजुकेशन एंड अवेयरनेस एंड इट विल हेल्प यू ग्रो एंड लिव टुवर्ड्स अ हायर लेवल ऑफ वेलनेस इन लाइफ. So would you like to do that, friends? Yes, are you with me? Sorry, I went one screen back. Are you with me, friends? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, great. The best of my friends are with me always. So what am I talking about? मैं आज ये बताना चाह रही हूँ कि friends, let's think about the old system of healthcare जो हमेशा is going to be, मुझे बीमारी होने के बाद में I am going ahead and looking into मैं क्यों बीमार हूँ, मुझे क्यों तकलीफ है, where we call it as a reactive kind of mentality and a disease management which is going to be a very generalized, जैसा मैंने कहा हम सभी जाएंगे डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे, which is going to be a very generalized kind of a system and of course in the long run it turns out to be costly, expensive. आज मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि कितना कॉस्ट होगा. All of us with this COVID and the awareness that we have, we know what is the cost of getting treatment in healthcare, especially in case of emergencies. बट फ्रेंड्स, आज अगर मैं आपको कुछ ऐसी चीज की तरफ दिशा दिखाऊं और आपको जागरूक करूं इस चीज के बारे में कि विच इज गोइंग टू बी प्रोएक्टिव, विच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अस प्रिवेंट डिसीजेस, विच इज गोइंग टू बी आपका इंडिविजुअलाइज, जैसे फिंगरप्रिंट्स होता है वैसे एक वेरी वेरी पर्सनलाइज्ड एंड अ प्रेडिक्टिव सिस्टम ऑफ हेल्थ केयर. सो फ्रेंड्स, वुड यू लाइक टू नो अबाउट इट? Well, that brings us to our company and what we do. Velocity has I will say a 5-directional approach. It has 5 very very beautiful verticals jahan hame we have the lifetime genetics program, we have the training and education, we have the alkaline solutions, we have the wellness products and we have the Velocity essentials. ये सब क्या है, आइए उसके बारे में जानते हैं. Well, friends, if you look at this picture, then this picture came in the Time magazine a couple of years back, where the genetic revolution जो शुरू हुआ था, that was talking about कि हमारे genes में there can be so many different kinds of ailments, diseases जो हमें अपने parents से inheritance में मिलती है. And it can range right from our lifestyle diseases like diabetes, like obesity, or it could be common ailments like asthma. Of course, today we talk a lot about Parkinson's and diabetes related complications, glaucoma, etc, etc, etc. बट ये हमें ये भी बताता है कि वंस यू नो योर बॉडी देन यू कैन टेक टोटल कंट्रोल ऑफ योर बॉडी. जब आप पैदा होते हैं, अगर आपको ये पता चले कि ये मुझे क्या बीमारियां हो सकती है या क्या होने वाली है, सो डोंट यू थिंक फ्रेंड्स कि आप अपने हाथ में अपने हेल्थ का चार्ज लेकर रहोगे? Why? Because today if you see, it is these are a few popular articles that have been in the newspaper where it says that genes may leave some people more vulnerable to severe COVID-19. ये देखा गया है कि even in the young, especially children में, आजकल very young children, उनमें it is not at all possible that they are showing any signs of active COVID infection. in fact unke through the spread of COVID-19 infection is really gone very high. And it is also said certain micronutrients or elements or vitamins अगर हमारे शरीर में कम है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल विटामिन डी, जो हमारे 70 to 80% ऑफ इंडियन पॉपुलेशन हैव अ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन बी 12 एंड विटामिन डी, अगर आपके शरीर में विटामिन डी कम है देन इट इज मोर प्रोन टू गेट यू इन्फेक्टेड बाय कोरोना और द COVID-19 virus. Why are we talking this? We are talking this so that we understand a complete holistic picture, because we are talking about nutrition, we are talking about genetics, we are talking about a person जिसका हम of course we have our own blood test, we have our height weight chart, and when we have to look at health we only think about मेरा eating time, मेरा sleeping time, मैं कितना खाना खाता हूँ, कब खाता हूँ, कितना पानी पीता हूँ. But friends, अगर आप इस बारे में सोचें, just include your DNA report or your genome patri or the inheritance that you get from your parents, which is as good as अपना जन्म पत्री. जैसे जन्म पत्री आपको 7 पुश्तों के दोष एंड योग एक्सेट्रा सब दिखाते हैं, वैसे हमारी ये जेनेटिक जीनोम पत्री आपको आपके पूरे सेहत के बारे में, आपके 7 पुश्तों से, फादर साइड मदर साइड से जो कुछ भी बीमारियां आई है, जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ हो सकते हैं हेल्थ वाइज, जो आपके वीकनेसेस हो सकते हैं, जो आपके हाई रिस्क हो सकते हैं, वो हम आज जान सकते हैं. और ये इसका रास्ता दिखाती है हमको वेलोसिटी लाइफ साइंसेस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. व्हाई? बिकॉज हमारा शरीर इज मेड अप ऑफ सिस्टम्स, सिस्टम्स आर मेड अप ऑफ ऑर्गन्स, ऑर्गन्स आर मेड अप ऑफ टिश्यूज एंड टिश्यूज आर मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स. और इस सेल के अंदर क्या होता है फ्रेंड्स? Those who have studied science they will all know इसके अंदर होता है एक न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर होता है क्रोमोसोम्स, क्रोमोसोम्स के अंदर होता है जेनेटिक मटेरियल जिसे हम जीन्स कहते हैं या सेगमेंट्स ऑफ डीएनए. एंड फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी वेल नोन फैक्ट जो आज मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि आप में, मेरे में, किसी भी अदर ह्यूमन बीइंग में केवल 99.9% our DNA is the same. The difference between you and me is that we are just 0.1% different in our genes or genetic material. और ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल कितना होता है? इट इज ऑलमोस्ट, वी हैव 37.2 ट्रिलियन सेल्स इन आवर ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड ईच सेल कंटेन्स अबाउट 3 बिलियन बेस पेयर्स ऑफ डीएनए. That is wow, that is so much of genetic material which we can't even handle or imagine. Of course इसमें पूरा genetic material 100% has not been understood, has not been studied. But आज हम जिस DNA की बात कर रहे हैं, that DNA is commonly discussed in 3 broad profiles. We talk about forensic, clinical and wellness DNA. फॉरेंसिक ऑफ कोर्स यूज होता है क्रिमिनल इन्वेस्टिगेशंस में, पैटर्निटी में, एनी काइंड ऑफ मैच ऑफ सैंपल्स और आइडेंटिटी में. एंड द क्लिनिकल डीएनए इज वेयर advanced level of treatment in case of chronic healthcare problems or issues. We have clinicians who prescribe these tests. But today we are not talking about these two verticals. We are purely here to talk about wellness, which has to do with your genes, which has to do with your food, with your nutrition, with your lifestyle, with your exercise regime. And we are here to talk about the very latest science. It is called as a breakthrough science. I call it as a disruptive technology in healthcare diagnostics, which is called as the science of nutrigenomics. Nutrigenomics क्या करता है? It is simple the interaction of our food, the nutrition that we have with the genes that we have in our body. माने मैं जो खाता हूँ वही मैं बनता हूँ. So it is the simple formula कि food plus our genes is equal to I can either prevent diseases or I can either keep away my diseases for life. So isn't that interesting, friends? Yes, this is a very interesting science, very new technology, and that is precisely where the most popular program of our Velocity Life Sciences comes into picture, which is called as the Lifetime Genetics Program. अब ये Lifetime Genetics Program क्या है? It is precisely it has been inspired from the breakthrough technology of the Human Genome Project, which happened in the US from 1990 to 2003, and it is the combination of our 3 nations. It has the technology technology from the US. It has the sequencing which happens, which was researched there. It has a very unique sample collection kit which comes from Canada. And of course, today we are highly equipped so that the bioinformatics or the genetic report technology sequencing का analysis जो होता है वो होता है purely in India, and we are able to help many and much more people. So what exactly is this? This is a very simple technology, friends. Isme you have to buy a saliva sample collection kit from the company. You pay the company will send it across to you at your residence free of cost. There is no shipping. And once you receive the sample kit, you will be given a video, or you will be guided by the person who has invited you here or told you about the technology कि कैसे ये saliva sample आपको collect करना है. We don't need blood. It is a totally non-invasive sample collection technique. Very safe, very simple. एक दिन के बच्चे का भी हम थूक जमा कर सकते हैं. And once you are able to collect your sample, pack it up properly after adding the preservative, you send it back to our office at Mumbai. Within 21 days, 18 to 21 days, आपको एक 125 पेज का रिपोर्ट मिल जाएगा, which will be sent to you over the WhatsApp or the mail, and somebody from the company will get back to you. क्योंकि जब हमें एक रिपोर्ट मिलता है, we may understand it, we may not understand it. इसलिए उस रिपोर्ट को समझने के लिए, उसका मेरे लाइफ में या मैंने जो भी टेस्ट किया है उसका मुझे फायदा लेने के लिए हम आपका एक जेनेटिक काउंसलर, जो हमारे ट्रेंड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एंड जेनेटिक काउंसलर्स हैं, उनके साथ एक 1-to-1 पर्सनलाइज्ड अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स करते हैं. And that can happen over the phone, over YouTube, over Zoom call, whatever is convenient. And this is done so that you understand what is in your report. जैसा मैं शुरुआत में कह रही थी, what is your strength, what is your weakness, what is your health challenges. आपको अगर कोई specific health goal है, जैसे I want to stay healthy, I want to stay young, I want to lose weight, I want to control my diabetes, I don't want to have blood pressure or cardiac problems because वो हमारे family में है. Everything is possible, and everything you will be guided by the nutrigenomic counselors to understand, and then you will be given an action plan based on छोटे मोटे changes in your daily diet and lifestyle. Seriously friends, I call it very छोटे मोटे changes because ये हमारे nutritionists जो हैं, जो हमारे genomic counselors हैं, they do not give you fantastic diets or out of the world foods कि आप exotic खाओ, आप ऐसा खाओ, आप वैसा खाओ. आप जो कुछ भी खा रहे हो उसमें excesses निकाल के या deficiencies के लिए जो आपको थोड़े बहुत extra additions करने हैं, वो सब add करके you will be counseled so that you are comfortable and you know it is very simple to follow the action plan. And yes friends, I know simple is difficult always. So इसीलिए we have a wellness health test which is available for the next 12 months, and जिससे not only you will be kept focused or motivated towards sticking to your action plan, but whenever you need again the counselor or the nutritionist to talk to you to make you understand further, or you have any other challenges finding it difficult, you can always get back to us free of cost. And the most important Sone Pe Suhaga is your genetic material will be preserved at no additional cost in our gene bank. And ये क्यों? ताकि जैसे कंपनी, when the company started they had only 33 different tests, आज हम एक सैंपल से 105 genes का रिपोर्ट बनाते हैं which are covered across the whole body in 15 major profiles which I'm coming to. I will make a passing mention of it now. All this, and इसके बाद अगर आगे चल के और जीन्स वो लोग आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं एंड हमें अपने बेनिफिट के लिए खोज के निकालते हैं, then at a very nominal charge, you don't need to repeat, buy the kit, give the sample, everything is there, you just pay a nominal charge and you get the test done for your future and additional health benefits. Now, what are these tests that we cover? Like I said, we cover 15 broad profiles, जिसमें आते हैं nutritional deficiencies. We have 10 profiles, 10 genes tested in that, जिसमें common things like vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin C. आज की तारीख में everything is so essential. Calcium is a vital nutrient for every woman, including iron. अगर ये सब चीज़ें डेफिशिएंट होती हैं या लाइफ टाइम डेफिशिएंसी, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आज मैंने ब्लड टेस्ट किया, वो मुझे आज की वैल्यू बताती है, बट अगर मैं जेनेटिक टेस्ट करके उसमें आता है आई एम लाइफ टाइम डेफिशिएंट इन विटामिन B12, इट कैन बी इन मेटाबॉलिज्म और इट कैन बी इन एब्जॉर्बिंग बाय द बॉडी, तो वो जो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है वो इससे ये पता चलता है कि आई विल बी ऑन अलर्ट फॉर माई लाइफ टाइम. That is the difference between an ordinary blood test or a lab test and the genetic test and the reports that we give you. It's a simple things. If you say, then vitamin B12, if you're not having the peels or the skin of vegetables, fruits जिसमें B12 की बहुत सारी मात्रा होती है, you might just feel lazy, you might feel lethargic, you might feel loss of energy. जो symptoms हम ये सोचते हैं, अरे नहीं this is आज थकावट हो रही है क्योंकि धूप ज़्यादा है, so such like things, but this is very very scientifically researched and this can tell you precisely the root cause कि आपकी बीमारी क्यों है, कैसे है और किस कारण से है, और इसको आप अपना बचाव कैसे कर सकते हैं, आप अपने आप सुरक्षित कैसे रख सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट प्रोफाइल इज फूड इंटॉलरेंसेस अगेन, because there is topics covered like gluten intolerance, lactose intolerance, caffeine intolerance majorly in tea coffee that we have, and salt intolerance, where we know very commonly that अगर हम डायबिटिक्स की बात करें, सॉरी, अगर हम प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन की बात करें, तो at certain level if they have a lot of inflammation in their body during pregnancy, उनसे कहा जाता है कि salt intake कम करें, and of course salt intake is a taboo for blood pressure patients. So BP can be triggered by caffeine intolerance, BP can be triggered by salt intake. So all these correlations ये report में इसलिए included है क्योंकि everything is interdependent, everything is based on one another. Then we talk about weight management. Weight management में there are so many things. Lot of people ask me कि मैं कितना भी religiously diet करूं मेरा weight कम नहीं होता. Why? Because there is not just one factor which is responsible for you to help reduce your weight or maintain an ideal weight. If you read the 11 parameters out here, there are so many other factors. There are genes which talk to you about weight regain risk. There is an response to dieting. There is satiety gene. There is obesity risk. There are so many different factors which are responsible. All these 11 parameters together, when understood well, the counselor will teach you and tell you what you need to do so that you can lose weight or you can gain weight and you can maintain it at a healthy level. Then we come to the diabetes parameter, where we also talk about, of course, there is type 1, that is juvenile diabetes, or type 2 diabetes, but this will tell you कि आपको पता है कि फैमिली में डायबिटीज है बट किसी को हुआ नहीं है, सो यू इट नेवर मेक्स यू थिंक कि शायद मुझे भी डायबिटीज हो सकता है. So this will exactly tell you if you have any kind of genetic predisposition to diabetes, whether आपको insulin suit करेगा नहीं करेगा, fiber है, then there is again certain type of high fat or high protein diets that we follow, everything, or even simple including your dinner timing and the food that you eat, which will impact your diabetes or the sugar levels in your body and the metabolism. Well friends, the next parameter that we come to is about the cardiac health. Cardiac health again covers 12 different genes, and all these genes not just talk to you about your cholesterol or your lipid profile or your blood pressure response to saturated fats, but there are even blood pressure response to non-drug approach. Such kind of parameters are very very critical for us to assess and judge ki how healthy your heart is and what you can do and what are the mild risks or the grave risks that you follow. Similarly, we have the thyroid health profile, we have cancer risk, majorly concentrating on our reproductive organ health, where we get to know, because आजकल cancer again has become such a commonly discussed topic and a commonly prevalent ailment कि हमें ये नहीं समझ में आता कि who might get cancer and when and how. Along with that, we also talk to you about the other body organs. So it could be about gallbladder, it could be about your bowel health, it could be about your irritable bowel syndrome, so your gastrointestinal digestive health, and we talk about eye ailments, we talk about glaucoma, we talk about excessive urination, we talk about age related hearing loss. All these come under other organs and other organ health. Well, friends, many a times we also find that there is lot of inflammation which we tend to ignore. But understand this very well आज की तारीख में कि अगर आपको इम्यूनिटी आपकी मेंटेन करनी है तो द फर्स्ट साइन ऑफ लो इम्यूनिटी इज इन्फ्लेमेशन डिसीजेस. So we talk here about 8 major parameters which are caused by inflammation. Inflammation जैसे मैं कह रही थी is the first sign or symptom कि आपका immunity low हो रहा है या कम हो रहा है. So here we talk about pancreatitis, we talk about asthma, we talk about allergies, we talk about allergic rhinitis, we talk about chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Of course, this is one of the symptoms of COVID-19 also. So by this we can know what is our immunity levels, what is our strength, what is our weakness, why or how we can maintain our immunity, and alongside we talk about other neurological health parameters. We talk about Parkinson's है, we talk about any kind of pesticide का exposure से हमारा body उसको कैसे react करेगा. We talk about migraine, we talk about attention deficit hyperactivity disorder जो आमतौर पे बच्चों में देखा जाता था, but friends it is also found in adults. And we talk about if we talk about human beings, it is about male and female. So there are female organs related risks, there are male organs related risks, everything का information आपको मिल जाएगा. Then we talk about neurological we talk about eating disorders and addictions, which if we get to know at a very early age, especially for our children, whether they are going to be alcohol dependent, whether they have any kind of eating disorders, whether they have anxiety disorders, whether they have tendency to get into depressions, whether they have good learning capacities and good brain strength, and how will be their decision making capacity. Of course it is a boon that we can get to know at a very very early age. जैसा मैंने कहा, even एक दिन के बच्चे का हम सलाइवा जमा कर सकते हैं. And if it is a baby, then it has its genes and it has its characteristics right from the day it is born till the day you die. These characteristics don't change, इसमें बदलाव नहीं होता. And because of that, these tests that you do, the genetic test, ये आपको लाइफ में एक ही बार करनी होती है. You do not need to repeat the same test again because आपके genes change नहीं होंगे. We also talk about DNA damage and biological aging. आजकल हम सब ये चाहते हैं कि we look young, we feel young, and अगर कभी आगे चल के बीमारी होती है, then there are also 7 tests which are very very commonly used drugs. जो हम example ये कह सकते हैं कि इफ इट इज अ डायबिटीज पेशेंट, वो बेचारा हर बार जाके डॉक्टर से कहेगा डॉक्टर साहब मेरा शुगर कम नहीं होता. डॉक्टर साहब कहते हैं आप दवाई टाइम पे नहीं ले रहे हो, आप बहुत खाना खा रहे हो, आप बीच में कुछ और खा रहे हो, आप एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हो. बट द सिंपल थिंग दैट डजंट कम टू द माइंड ऑफ practitioners is that शायद ये बंदा जो कॉमन ड्रग ऑफ डायबिटीज है मेटफॉर्मिन, उसको उसका जीन्स रेजिस्टेंट है, तो वो बेचारा जो दवाई ले रहा है वो उसको असर ही नहीं कर रही है, तो वो कैसे उसको रेस्पॉन्ड करेगा और कैसे शुगर कंट्रोल में आएगा. सो दीज आर द सिंपल थिंग्स अबाउट डिफरेंट मेडिसिन दैट आर कॉमनली यूज, जिसके हम रिएक्शन ऑन योर बॉडी देखते हैं, ताकि आगे चल के God forbid you have any kind of ailment or disease, you go to the doctor, you can always show them this report. That generally doctors तो आपको पूछते ही हैं, आपको किसी ड्रग का एलर्जी है, आपको कोई ड्रग सूट नहीं करता. ये फ्रेंड्स उसी चीज का जवाब है, which are very specific and used in various complex diseases also. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, हमको अपने खान पान के साथ, अपनी हेल्थ के साथ, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज फिटनेस, हेल्थ, वेदर हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग आई एम, हाउ मच एक्सरसाइज आई कैन डू. इट इज अबाउट पावर अगेंस्ट एंड्योरेंस, वेदर बार बार मुझे नी इंजरी होती है, एंकल इंजरी होती है, मसल डैमेज होता है, ये सब चीज़ों का भी वी आर एबल टू टेल यू विद दीज फैंटास्टिक लाइफ टाइम जेनेटिक प्रोग्राम टेस्ट. And isme friends, what is it? We give you a answer to 105 different genes, and uske साथ साथ we give you this entire 1-year program which talks to you about your health, what to do, what not to do. और अगर हम ये जान के, अगर हम अपने मूल कारण को जान पाए कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कैसे है, then these are the some of the kind of miraculous results you can see once you adapt a active and a healthy lifestyle, healthy food habits. You take away with the excesses, जो चीज आपको सूट नहीं कर रही थी उसको आप अपने लाइफ से हटा दो या काफी हद तक कम कर दो. सो ऑटोमेटिकली आवर बॉडी इज द बेस्ट हीलर. तो अपने आप बॉडी अंदर से हेल्दी होकर आपको ऐसे मिरेक्युलस रिजल्ट्स दिखाती है. Whether it is about weight loss, fantastic results with weight loss, looking healthy, feeling much better internally. And yes, it is not only for you and me. There are so many of our valued VVIP patrons, which includes right from Pratibha Tai Patil, our ex-president, her husband Mr. Shekhawat. It includes spiritual leaders like Shri Ravichankar ji, Prem Nirmal ji, cricketers like Nayan Monga, lots and lots of Bollywood celebrities, right from Pooja Bedi, Johnny Lever, Deepak Tijori, Bhumi Pednekar. We have Vivian Dina, and we have politicians like Gopal Shetty, Sanjay Nirupam ji. So many of them have taken advantage of this program from whatever walks of life, whatever field they are, whether it is sports persons, whether it is industrialists, whether it is business people, or simple job people like you and me. But because there are a lot of advantages, and today because of these, of course, we have more than 10,000 customers, and we are spread in more than 20 countries. Why? Because knowing is knowing and doing is doing. So when you get your test done, when you know about your health and lifestyle, and you know how to control and how you can take care of your health and wellness, that is when the true impact aapko dikhai dega. Well, the second wing of Velocity Life Sciences is the training and education, जिसके बारे में मैंने शुरुआत में बताया. We have the wonderful Velocity Institute of Genomic Nutrition and Entrepreneurship Training, जो हमें through two major programs. One is the SAGE program, that is Sustained Accreditation of Genomic Education, which is a sort of a monthly 2-day workshop जो online होती है because of our new age lifestyle today, and because we need to keep learning and keep growing. आज अगर कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी आती है तो उसके बारे में मुझे अपग्रेड करना और मुझे जान के उसका इस्तेमाल करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. And the second most important program that we have, of course, we have a whole panel of experts, again, the best in the industry, and I call them as the इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स. जब हम किसी भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन से हम सीखते हैं, दैट बिकम्स टीचर्स, दैट बिकम्स आवर एकेडमिक ट्रेनर्स. दे जस्ट गिव अस थियोरी नॉलेज, बट ये हमारे जो पैनल ऑफ एक्सपर्ट्स एंड ट्रेनर्स हैं, they are the industry experts. Each of these nutrigenomic counselors that you see out here have done more than 1,000 practical consultations and counseling for their nutrigenomic reports. So just imagine, जो हम अपने practical knowledge से सीख सकते हैं, वो अगर हम किसी और का practical information सीख सकें, तो just imagine the impact it will have and the amount of information and knowledge you will get. The second most important training program of Vignet is, it is now also not just into a continuous education program, but it is also into certifying and giving a career option to people. Jahan it gives us the certificate course on nutrigenomics, which is a 2 months rigorous course, and I'm very happy to say that today was the first day of the second batch of the CCNG program. And friends, those who missed it, don't worry. In December, the third batch will also come. So let our second batch finish the program. It is at very, very, very economical prices, and it is again a personalized training course, because this batch is not about a classroom of 50 or 100. It's just a batch of 20 individuals at a time, so that everybody can understand, everybody can learn, and everybody can know. And friends, 8,000 rupees for this course, 7,990, is nothing. Because you go and do a course, any certificate course in nutrition or in genetics, it will cost you at least 20 to 30,000 rupees. Well, friends, the third arm or third vertical of Velocity is the alkaline solutions. Alkaline solutions, normally or commonly, I can tell you, it is about having ample alkaline water for our good health, because the more the alkalinity in the body, the lesser the chance कि आप बीमार पड़ो. Of course, alkaline water has lot of other benefits. It has richness of the hydrogen water. The hydrogen content in the water is enhanced, and उसके वजह से a healthy pH is created, and उस pH के कारण we can easily absorb some heavy substances or heavy molecules of food, because this water we can use in cooking. And alkalinity of our entire body can be maintained near the neutral pH. Slightly alkaline water is this water bottle. The most important is it's a water bottle which we can conveniently carry with us anywhere and everywhere, just 650 ml. और उसमें एक बार आप ड्रिंकिंग वाटर डालो तो इट कन्वर्ट्स इन 45 मिनट्स इनटू अल्कलाइन वाटर, जिसका पीएच इज बिटवीन 8.5 to 9.5. Well, friends, the next another fantastic offering of the company, another vertical is wellness products, because Velocity सिर्फ एक ही चीज में believe नहीं करती. Though our most popular or most thrust area of the company is the lifetime genetics program, but somewhere or the other you also need certain other we call it as supplements, we call it as healthy foods, we can call it as life givers to us, because this product that you can see on your screen, the immunity booster drink, it's a wellness juice. It is made up of more than 15 different kinds of berries, very very high in antioxidants. And because of this unique combination, friends, it has great properties, because we call it as a nutritional powerhouse. It is powerful, very very powerful antioxidant. It is helps build our immunity, so that is why it has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. And this is the product जो हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा out of stock हो रहा है, not just during corona but even before corona. But yes, especially during corona, it has helped change a lot of people's health profile. It helps protects against your liver, it helps keep your liver healthy, your heart healthy, your diabetes and sugar under control. It helps improve digestion, it enhances your endurance, it enhances your sports performance, your sexual performance, it enhances fertility. And that is why it also lowers your other disease risks like arthritis, Alzheimer's, gout, and of course it helps in improving your memory. Friends, इतना बड़ा I mean इतने सारे properties वाला कोई health extract juice, I mean we don't call it a juice, we call it an extract क्यों? क्योंकि extract माने जो तत्व, जो ingredients are important for our body to be easily absorbed, ये उसी what do you call concentration में, उसी I'm not getting the right word, उसी वो वही तत्व इस ड्रिंक में अवेलेबल है. And because of that, it gives you so many health benefits and such good strength. Friends, the energy levels, once you have this once in the morning, just about 30 ml and 120 ml of water keeps you running right till the end of the day and gives you a wow effect. Well, friends, iske saath saath, of course, we have certain other niche products, I will call it, because these may or may not be available everywhere. Like we have the Histigo, which is our Ayushka Kada in the form of a herbal tea supplement. We have vitamin D3. Again, we spoke in the beginning कि vitamin D की कमी से हमें कोरोना भी हो सकता है, हमें obesity risk भी हो सकता है, हमें cardiac ailments भी हो सकते हैं, और हमें cancer तक हो सकता है. Then again, we need lot of vitamin E, vitamin K, we need certain micronutrients. वो सब आता है in black seed oil. Seabuckthorn, of course, it has been popularly propagated even by our honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. So we all know about the benefits of Seabuckthorn. Yes, why all these? Because these are convenient in capsule or tablet form, so that we can have it conveniently. If somebody says जाके आप chlorophyll खाओ, तो how do you collect chlorophyll from leaves? It only is available in fresh leaves, but it is a total. Again, it helps protects, cleans your blood, purifies your system, and keeps you healthy. What side? Of course, everybody, I think I almost 90% of us on the webinar also have chashma now. Okay, we are so used to our new lifestyle of mobiles and laptops and webinars and Zoom, and that's why eye health is very very important. So a very convenient capsule made out of cow ghee and ingredients like Triphala. is what the company has to offer. Of course, like I said, अगर हमें healthy lifestyle आजमाना है, so I can give you an example about me and my grandmother who's still alive, 95. I mean, I don't know if I will go till that age of 95, but what is the difference between her and me, which we can clearly relate to all our lives. अगर हमारी नानी दादी आज जिंदा हैं, तो वो हेल्दी हैं, एंड वी कैन से टुडे इफ आई कंपेयर माय स्ट्रेंथ विथ हर्स, शी विल बी मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन आई एम इवन एट द एज ऑफ 95. करेक्ट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस एग्री? एंड व्हाई डू यू थिंक सो? That is precisely because they got the kind of foods, the kind of environment, the kind of atmosphere, the kind of freshness of the hand beaten food, chakki ka aata, no electricity, no synthetic, no polished, nothing. They even ate raw from the fields. So that is what Velocity also promotes and propagates, and I will say is the strongest support to our nutrition and diet plans, and that we call as Velocity Essentials. Well, it goes hand in hand with the Eat Right India movement of FSSAI, where it says Sahi Bhojan and Behtar Jeevan, and that is precisely for you and your entire family. Because today, health, genetics, nutrition is not only for me and individual like you, it is for the whole family. It is for the wellness and well-being and happiness and the true wealth of our whole family. So that's why natural organic products, hand beaten, hand pound, वो हम कहते थे पुरानी जमाने में ओखली होती थी, ओखली, that is mortar and pestle, उसमें ground we have lot of essential ingredients, like we have a whole range of flour, that is atta, which includes cold press, which includes diabetic gluten free atta, and it also has a whole range of salts, which includes Himalayan pink salt, black salt, it includes pink salt granules. We have in this range of organics a premium range of dals, where the sugars and jaggery, and we also talk about the mishri, we talk about raw honey. So that's the sugar and the jaggery range. Then again, friends, we have the spices, where we talk about daily use ke ingredients, like the red chili, we talk about turmeric, we talk about hing, we talk about 1 minute, I'm not able to see my screen properly. Yeah, we talk about other spices, we talk about dhania powder, we talk about the hand beaten dalchini, that's cinnamon also is very good, with honey is an excellent immune booster. That is what I learned in my naturopathy. Then we also talk about other spices like elaichi, we talk about black pepper, kali mirch, we talk about saunf, we talk about fenugreek, that is methi, we talk about jeera. There is everything that you and I require in our kitchen today, commonly used, everything available, along with oils, mustard oil, groundnut oil, castor oil, coconut oil. And of course, at the end of it, we also have the other cereals. We have the unpolished dals, the commonly used chilke wali moong dal, which we use to make khichdi. Anybody falling sick, they all will be very familiar with it. Hare chilke wali dal ki khichdi is most commonly given in most of our households. And yes, if we have an option of unpolished dals and cereals available to us, friends, that is the best way to start living, because ये सारी चीजें हमें अपने घर में हर रोज इस्तेमाल में आती है. Of course, this dear darling at the end is not available for sale, but that is how the happiness and the freshness in the way how women cook in the house gives half the life in our foods. So the other half we can always opt for unpolished and natural organic products, which is an offering from the company, right from rajma, moong, the what do you call chole, the I don't get the English name, never mind. So it's all about healthy cooking, it's all about healthy feeling, it's all about happy life. And yes, this is our kitchen groceries, our monthly supplies. So the company gives us a whole package, it gives us a whole combo where it talks about 26 products, 14 kgs, and this comes in a combination and is delivered free of cost. You can always order online, or you can contact the person who has called you, who has invited you. So friends, last but not the least, I come towards the end of my presentation where again today मैं आपको ये कह रही हूँ कि it is all about holistic well-being, and holistic well-being के लिए it is very important we make our smart lifestyle choices, we make wise choices, and we talk about a balanced, nutritious and organic food. Why? Because even Hippocrates and Thomas Alva Edison have said the same: let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. And the doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but rather will cure and prevent diseases only and only through nutrition. So friends, I invite you, come join our mission, our endeavor to make food as medicine every day. Well friends, today is the right time, the right moment. So come and experience this revolutionary scientific technology. Come, I am inviting you to have a healthy life and lifestyle in future. And in short, if I can tell you about the right time and the right place, then it is today, because this is what will keep you healthy, which will give you a great lifestyle in future, will keep you tension free, will keep your money safe so you can spend it in better places, having a good holiday, a good vacation, because you will have a healthy lifestyle and can enjoy every single moment of your life. I did this test when I was introduced to this company about 3.5 years ago, and at that time I did not I'm from the healthcare field, so I was anyways part of the hospital industry, so I didn't need to bother or think about कि कल अगर मैं बीमार पड़ूं तो मेरा इलाज कहाँ होगा. I always knew मेरा हॉस्पिटल है, मैं रात को 12 बजे भी एडमिट हो जाऊं, मुझे कोई ना कोई इलाज कर ही लेगा एंड आई विल नॉट हैव एनी इश्यूज. बट फ्रेंड्स, इलाज तो चलता ही है, इलाज के उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स भी होते हैं. I'm a diabetic for over 10 years on prescribed medicines. Of course, हमारे lifestyle, हमारे hectic जो jobs होते हैं, उसके कारण हमें stress होता है. कुछ नहीं तो अभी कोरोना में traveling is less, but anyways, otherwise we have to travel 2.5 hours to work at good, decent places where we have good sources of income and where our knowledge and capacity can be used. but उसके कारण भी हमें बहुत सारा stress होता है, अपने पूरे eating schedules miss होते हैं, and उसकी वजह से there used to be sugar fluctuations. In spite of me trying to stick to being a naturopath since almost 20 years, I knew how to control my diet, but still there used to be fluctuations. मेरा glyco HB, diabetics will know what that is, average of 3 months sugar used to fluctuate, and sometimes the worst I had was at the beginning of this year, and that was an 8.3. That told me my sugar levels were totally out of, anywhere in control, and that told me that I had to do something about it. But when I understood my genes and I understood my genetic predispositions and I modified my diet, I was having a good diet, I was having a naturopath diet, but there was still some excess and deficiencies which were responsible कि जिसके कारण मेरा ये sugar fluctuation trigger हो रहा था body में. And that trigger is something जो इस टेस्ट के बाद आपके हाथ में ये कंपनी देती है कि ये आपकी चाबी है, इसको अगर आप ताले में डाल के छोड़ दो तो वो कभी भी खुल जाएगा या बंद हो जाएगा, ऐसे आप सोचोगे. बट अगर वो चाबी आप ताले को खुलने के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं करो और वो बीमारी को अपने आप में शरीर में आने के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं करो, तो दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट कैन हैपन टू यू फ्रेंड्स टुडे. And by strictly following my diet regime, my action plan from Velocity Genetics in the entire lockdown from February till date October, I have, friends, without knowing, lost 8 kilos of my excess body fat. Of course, I was not obese or overweight. And today, friends, my glyco HB within 4 months came back to 6.3. 6.3 is something which is a non-diabetic level and which shows a very, very, very good and perfect control for anybody who is a diabetic. So friends, now not just this, of course diabetes is in my family. So my mother had diabetes, I have diabetes, I have a daughter who again might have diabetes at the same age of 23. Today she is 21 and I don't want her to be diabetic. तो आज मैंने ये tool उसके हाथ में दिया है. She doesn't live with me, she studies abroad and she is far far away, where a mother अगर चाहे भी तो अपने बच्चे का खाना, लाइफस्टाइल, स्लीपिंग, ईटिंग कुछ चेंज नहीं कर सकती. बट टुडे आई हैव दिस टूल जो मैंने उसके हाथ में दिया है, सेइंग आप अपने लाइफ के हेल्थ के खुद जिम्मेदार हो. अगर आप इसे फॉलो करते हो तो यू हैव द चाबी. यू मे नेवर गेट डायबिटीज और यू मे डिले इट टिल द एज ऑफ 50-60 वॉट एवर, विच विल बी वेरी गुड. बट इफ यू डोंट, देन ऑफ कोर्स हमारे जीन्स में तो है ही, डायबिटीज तो होना ही है. So that is totally up to them and their choices. They are all adults today, 20 plus is adults. So same I invite all of you friends, and meri tarah I am sure there are many more people on the webinar today. I would like to invite people. So please go ahead, raise your hands and tell me who else has some fantastic experiences to share and who has really taken charge and control of their life. कौन है यहाँ जो आज share करना चाहेंगे? Please raise your hand so I will unmute you. Or you can type in the chat box, say me or say yes. Who would like to share? Who would like to start? The men or the women? Come on, friends. Okay, Rajendra Verma ji. Yes, sir. Please unmute yourself and please share your experience.
Yes. उषा जी, सबसे पहले तो थैंक्स एंड कांग्रेचुलेशन फॉर द वेरी नाइस प्रेजेंटेशन. जब भी आपको सुनते हैं हर बार कुछ नया सुनने को, मतलब नया तरीका, और जो आपका जोश और एंथुजियास्टिक है वे, दैट इज फैंटास्टिक. फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम राजेंद्र वर्मा. प्रोफेशन से मैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हूँ, मेडिकल फील्ड से नहीं हूँ. लेकिन अभी धीरे धीरे आप सब लोगों के साथ में रहते रहते, बात करते करते काफ़ी कुछ मेडिकल लाइन से समझ में आने लगी है. मैंने मेरा भी जेनेटिक टेस्ट जनवरी 2018 में करवाया था. और जैसे उषा जी भी बता रहे थे कि किस तरह से चेंजेज आते हैं, तो फरवरी मार्च 2018 जब काउंसलिंग वगैरह हुआ और एक्शन प्लान को फॉलो करने लगे, तब से मैंने जो भी एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन है वो एक भी पैसे का मेडिसिन नहीं लिया है पिछले 2.5 साल में. उसके पहले मैं मेटफॉर्मिन रेगुलर ले रहा था और डायबिटीज भी काफ़ी फ्लक्चुएट होती रहती थी, बहुत चिंताएं रहती थी. अभी डायबिटीज बिल्कुल कंट्रोल में है और वी आर एंजॉइंग गुड लाइफ. और काफ़ी दोस्तों से हम शेयर भी करते रहते हैं, भाई देखो चॉइस है कि डायबिटीज़ के साथ में जीना है या डायबिटीज़ के बिना जीना है, थोड़ा तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो हम लोगों ने कोशिश की, और अभी भी आपसे बात करते हुए चाय और कॉफ़ी की जगह स्टागो हाथ में है मेरे, स्टागो पी रहा हूँ मैं. तो थोड़ा सा मन पे कंट्रोल करना पड़ता है. पता ही तो दूध चाय बहुत अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन आई एम फाउंड लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस, तो आई हैव टू कंट्रोल ऑन दूध पीने की जो इच्छाएं हैं उन पे कंट्रोल करना पड़ता है. और स्टागो पी के वी आर एंजॉइंग स्टागो. सो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा आप सभी से ये कहना है कि थोड़ा चेंज तो करना पड़ेगा लाइफ स्टाइल में. जैसा भी गाइड किया जाए, काउंसलर का गाइडेंस सुनना पड़ेगा, और उसको अगर आप मेंटेन करते हैं हम, तो सर्टेनली वी एंजॉय गुड लाइफ. और बगैर मेडिसिन अगर लाइफ जी रहे हैं तो समझो केमिकल्स पेट में नहीं जा रहा है, इससे अच्छी और क्या बात हो सकती है. So I thanks Velocity. I thanks Velocity Lifetime Genetic Program, and thanks all of you. Thank you.
I will now request Florine ma'am, please share your experiences.
Good evening, everyone. Dr. Usha, excellent presentation. And you are always an inspiration. We are all inspired by you, the way you speak, the way you explain each and every phenotype, especially. Of course, everybody else explains about the company and the product and all, but the phenotypes, the way you explain, we really understand as if the nutrigenomic counselors explain. Okay, so here I have done my test last year, and I have done my youngest daughter's test. After that, my other family members also have done. What I have benefited is I am lactose intolerant, also gluten intolerance. So by stopping wheat from my diet, of course, I was not having too much of tea once or twice, then not drinking milk. That was not a big issue for me. But the gluten, what I have changed from my life, I've reduced 6 kilos of weight, 5 to 6 kilos, in this lockdown. Nothing, no other changes I've done other than changing wheat to rice. I also take eye booster. I don't know whether that is also helping me. Last 9 months, I am drinking eye booster because initially they said that senior citizens must have good immunity. Then I had some deficiencies, vitamin deficiencies. So health-wise, fantastic, very nice. And my daughter, who is now 12 years old, she's really very healthy since 1 year. Before that, 9 years, we had a tough time with her because she's a lactose intolerant child. I used to force her to drink milk twice a day. Once I stopped her milk, she's really enjoying life. Very nice. I advise everyone, whoever has not done the DNA testing, they must do not only theirs, but whole family. Because everybody, like my other children's reports also have come, there is something or the other you can adjust and live a better, healthy life. Thank you so much, Usha.
Thank you, Florin ma'am. Yashpal ji, I would like you to share your experiences.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर, बहुत अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं. मैं तो हर बार आपकी वेट करता हूं कि कब आप आ रही हैं. हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर, बोलिए.
बहुत अच्छा आपने बताया, और आज जो 5 एसेंशियल प्रोडक्ट्स आप लोगों के हैं उसको आपने हाईलाइट किया. हर बार बड़ा अच्छा मिलता है हमें आपकी तरफ से सुनने के लिए. मैं एक बात आपसे थोड़ा सा जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि हम वी आर लकी इन नॉर्दर्न इंडिया, वी विल गेट 16 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर इन द मॉर्निंग. बड़ा प्रेजेंट हो गया है हमारे यहाँ पे. और वो आई बूस्टर जो वेलोसिटी बूस्टर है वो फ्रिज में रखा हुआ है. अब सुबह मॉर्निंग में मेरे को आदत पड़ गई लेने की, तो क्या मैं उसको थोड़ा गुनगुने पानी में ले सकता हूँ ना? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं ना?
सर, आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, बट आई थिंक आप ले सकते हो, बिकॉज
क्योंकि थोड़ा सा टेम्परेचर
में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए.
हाँ, नहीं, वो थोड़ा सा टेम्परेचर क्यों गुनगुना पानी में लेता हूँ. और अभी 3-4 रोज पहले मैंने जब सुना था तो उन्होंने कहा कि सुबह मॉर्निंग में लोगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. और कुछ हेल्थ चैलेंज भी थे, थोड़ा फीवर भी चल रहा था, तो उसकी वजह से मैं ले रहा हूँ. तो मैं चलो आपसे कंफर्म करते हैं. पर थैंक यू सो मच, बड़ा अच्छा बताया आपने. और मैं हर बार आपके साथ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता हूँ. वी आर लकी कि आपकी बार डॉक्टर विमल ने हमें बताया कि विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी और कोविड-19 और कार्डियोवास्कुलर पे उस पर तो बहुत अच्छा है. और मेरे को रिजल्ट भी बड़े अच्छे मिल रहे हैं, पर्टिकुलरली हमारे इंस्टागो के रिजल्ट बड़े अच्छे मिल रहे हैं मेरे यहाँ पे. और सिबोथोन सीड ऑयल कैप्सूल वो तो खैर बहुत ही आज अमेजिंग है. थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर साहब, थैंक यू. प्लीज.
Thank you so much, Yashpal ji. But one, since you mentioned, then in our naturopathy we say कि आपको कोई भी पदार्थ too cold या too hot नहीं लेना चाहिए. Our body temperatures are 37 degrees centigrade. Our body functions happen optimally at 37 degrees centigrade. This has nothing to do with velocity, but this is my general knowledge. So you should ideally have something which is not too hot, not too cold, but normal temperature, which is the best and ideal for your body. I will now request Rovina ma'am to please share a few words.
Thank you, Dr. Usha. Good evening, and really happy today. The second time I'm coming and I'm with you in the course. I'm really, really excited. Yes, I have also done my tests and my family members, and now we are trying to follow a common chart so it's easy to implement, because after all the lady in the kitchen has to do the implementation more than the others. So I have Histago, of course, I've started having because they told me that gluten and all I don't have, but for better to avoid tea and coffee, they said caffeine, basically they said that my reaction to caffeine is not so good. So he's saying that's why I'm not like losing weight, fat resistant. So he's saying if I stop that, it will help me. So I've started having green tea. Another change which I made is Lavina ma'am, she told me that why don't you start having curd, because I used to have this sore throat problem. So I said, I'll try. I did it and it is excellent. I had an immediate relief. I no longer get sore throat. And I always like in trying to conserve my voice because I have to use it for my webinars and other things. So I am so happy with that. And that's an immediate effect. And we as a family are bringing in little changes. We have started tweaking our food, not having too much, because she said even having gluten, even otherwise, is not very good. Once in a while, just give it a give it a break, you know. You can just have maybe fruits, or you have other millets or other jwaris. So I'm so very excited. And eye booster, definitely I'm having. I'm sure that I'm feeling good with it. Sometimes between lunch and dinner, when there's a big gap, you know, you feel a little low sometimes, a bit, you know. That is the time, if I take the eye booster, I can definitely feel a change. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. And Usha, Dr. Usha, you have been amazing. Because I like to always take down notes and, you know, little tweaking. Like you said, every time you pick up some new word, new knowledge. So I'm really upgrading myself. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much. One last sharing, because we are almost beyond 1 hour, and I will request, I also need some learning, some experience and some advice from a senior, and I wish to welcome Melvin Crasto sir. Please come forward and share a few words. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Dr. Usha. Thank you for that wonderful presentation. You know, बहुत पहले एक picture थे. When there was a movie that came, James Bond picture, with the title was "You Only Live Once." Okay, so क्या ये हमारे एक जिंदगी है? Would I like to live it healthy, or would I like to wait for something to happen? That's the major question that this presentation brings up. Okay, तो अक्लमंदी किस में है? क्या मैं healthy रहूं या बीमारी के बाद मैं भागदौड़ करूं to get a corrective solution? So I think that's a food for thought, and everybody should think about this. So जब technology आते हैं, we all you know, adapt technology very fast. जैसे कि mobile phones जब आए, we switched very quickly from that landline phone to the mobile phone, and we are willing to pay anything for that mobile phone. I don't think more people use a mobile phone for more than 2 to 3 years now. So we keep changing our phones. So this is a technology that has come in, जो हमारे health को अच्छे रख सकते हैं. You know, we can really stay healthy. And I think if you have good health, then you have everything, because it allows you to do anything that you want. अगर मेरा पैसे चला गया, I can earn money again. But if my health is gone, very difficult to get that health back again. So I think it's a wonderful eye-opener for all those who are listening for the first time. All of us who have done the test, we have got a lot of benefits from it. Okay, I've got benefits. So, you know, I had a lot of stomach issues. I had bloating in the stomach, hardness in the stomach. I couldn't sleep at night, or acidity, gas ho raha tha. But just by detecting that I am lactose intolerant, within 3 days I got solutions. All my problems disappeared, you know, which I had for quite a few years. I was caffeine intolerant, and I did not know that, you know, it could lead to, you know, blood pressure, heart attack, and I have got a severe hereditary issue of heart ailments in my. So I think that has given me a good insight and helping me to stay away from getting a heart attack. I come from a family that, you know, we love sports. So I used to go regularly for walks, jogging, skipping is what I do to keep healthy. But I have a severe risk for knee injury. And the counselors told me that I should not be jogging, I should not be skipping. Okay, so these are a lot of insights that help you, you know, in very areas. You never know what area you can get help. And I think if you can get just one area, I think it's value for money. So stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you so much, friends. Thanks for joining me, and stay healthy, keep fit, stay safe. Our Velocity Style. Have a very pleasant evening. Have lovely, good, hot food, and have a good sleep. Thank you till we meet again next. Bye and good night.